How to invest in options for a beginner. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Are you looking to dip your toes into the world of options trading, but feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of it all? Fear not, as we are here to guide you on how to invest in options for beginners. Options trading may seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate this exciting investment opportunity with confidence. Getting to the basics may help provide you with an opening up to another form of investing. It is better to be aware of than be ignorant of the existence of other options and varieties in investing. But doing our homework and fine-tuning our due diligence on the subject may be the first step. Let's dive right in. 1. Understanding the basics of options trading. Embark on a journey into the mesmerizing realm of options trading, where the potential for profit dances hand in hand with the art of strategy. At its core, options trading unfolds as a world of possibilities, offering you the power to buy or sell assets but with a twist. This isn't a straightforward transaction. Instead, options are akin to holding a key to a treasure chest, where the treasure is the right, though not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset, all hinging on your call. Dive into the two primary flavors of options. The call options, akin to a siren's call, tempting you with the right to purchase assets at prices that might soon be the stuff of legend. Then there are put options, your shield in a storm, granting you the power to sell assets at predetermined sanctuaries of price, even as the market whirlwind howls around you. Navigating this landscape demands a map, and understanding options is that very chart. Grasping the essence of options means becoming fluent in a language of potential. Strike price isn't a call to arms, but the price at which you can wield your option. Expiration date is not an end, but a threshold dictating the time frame of your opportunity. Each term you master adds a layer of armor in your quest, empowering you to make decisions not on whims, but on informed strategy. In this universe, where every decision could lead to realms of risk or reward, beginning your journey with a solid foundation in the basics of options trading is not just advisable, it's essential. Like any grand adventure, the path to conquering the world of options is paved with knowledge, strategy, and an unyielding quest for mastery. 2. Setting up your options trading account. Embarking on the options trading voyage requires first crafting your vessel, the options trading account. Venturing into the financial seas without one is akin to setting sail without a map. You simply can't start the journey. Selecting the right brokerage firm is your first quest. Seek out brokers who not only open the gates to the options trading realm, but also support you with robust tools and insightful resources. These are your allies in the quest for treasure. Your chosen brokerage should offer a platform that doesn't just tolerate your budding interest, but actively nurtures it. This means clear, accessible interfaces and resources tailored to demystify the complex world of options trading. Think of it as choosing your sword in battle. The better the fit, the stronger your strike. Once your account is a beacon, lit and ready, funding it becomes your next move. This is not merely adding coins to your coffer, it's strategically allocating resources for upcoming adventures. Here, the art of balance comes into play. Invest enough to trade effectively while ensuring your financial ship remains buoyant even in turbulent waters. In this phase, you're not just setting up an account, you're laying the foundation of your trading journey. Each step, from selecting a broker to funding your account, is a stone laid on your path to success. With your account as your castle, you're now ready to survey the lands of options trading, flag in hand, ready to claim the victories that await. 3. Decoding options trading terminology. Embark on the linguistic voyage of options trading, where each term is a beacon guiding your journey through the tumultuous seas of investment opportunities. Fear not the complex dialect of this land, for we are here to demystify the vernacular that forms the backbone of informed trading decisions. Picture the strike price as the X marking the spot on your treasure map, denoting the exact location where your coveted asset can be bought or sold. This isn't mere coincidence, but strategic foresight, allowing you to navigate with precision in your quest for financial gains. The expiration date emerges not as an end, but as a temporal gateway, a critical juncture that delineates the lifespan of your option. It whispers the urgency of timing, reminding you that every quest has its season and every opportunity its moment. Venture further into the lexicon with the premium, the price paid for the privilege of the option itself. Think of it as the entry fee to a realm of possibilities, a small toll on the path to potential riches. It's the investment in the key to the treasure chest, a testament to your belief in the journey's worth. Understanding these terms is akin to mastering the runes of old, empowering you to cast spells of informed decision-making. With each term unraveled, your arsenal grows, equipping you with the tools needed to triumph in the arena of options trading. This glossary of terms isn't just vocabulary, it's your compass in the vast world of financial adventure, designed to guide you through the fog of uncertainty to the shores of success. 4. Crafting your options trading strategy. In the grand tapestry of options trading, weaving your personal strategy is akin to charting a course through uncharted waters. It demands not just knowledge of the stars, but an understanding of your own vessel. Ask yourself, what seas am I willing to navigate? Are the tranquil waters of income generation your calling, or do you yearn for the thrilling storms of speculation on price movements? Each trader is a captain, and your strategy, your compass. Begin by mapping the contours of your financial landscape. Identify your investment goals with the precision of an artisan crafting a masterpiece. Are you sculpting a future of wealth accumulation, or are you fortifying against market volatility? Your goals are the North Star guiding your journey through the options market. Next, measure the depths of your risk tolerance. How much turbulence can your financial vessel withstand? This is not a testament to bravery, but a calibration of your journey's parameters. A well-defined risk tolerance is the ballast that keeps your trading strategy steady, even when the market's waves seek to overturn your plans. Consider, too, the sands of time in your hourglass. Your investment timeframe will influence the sails you set. Long-term voyages might favor strategies that weather market cycles, while short-term expeditions may capitalize on fleeting winds of market trends. 5. Analyzing market trends for informed decisions. In the grand chessboard of options trading, every move is a calculated step, and analyzing market trends is akin to predicting your opponent's next strategy. With a blend of technical and fundamental analysis, you become the maestro of your financial symphony, orchestrating investments with precision and flair. Technical analysis allows you to read the market's tea leaves, interpreting chart patterns and volume to forecast future price movements with the finesse of a seasoned fortune teller. It's about understanding the rhythm of the market, the ebb and flow of prices as they dance to the tune of supply and demand. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, invites you into the narrative behind the numbers. It's diving deep into the story of a company, the economic indicators, and the global events that sway the market's heartbeats. This approach equips you with the discernment to distinguish a fleeting tremor from a seismic shift, enabling decisions not just based on what the market is doing, but why it's doing it. Combining these two analytical powers, you navigate the options trading waters not as a mere participant, but as a savvy explorer, informed and ready to catch the winds of opportunity. Keep your telescope fixed on the horizon of economic indicators, company news, and the subtle undercurrents of market trends. It's through this vigilant watch and keen analysis that you will chart your course through the volatile seas of options trading, turning whispers of the market into the wind beneath your sails. 6. Risk management in options trading. Navigating the tempestuous seas of options trading demands not just courage and strategy, but a steadfast commitment to risk management. Envision yourself as the captain of a ship in open waters, where each decision could sway your journey towards prosperity or peril. It is within this realm that risk management emerges as your compass and shield, guiding you through storms and protecting your treasure trove. Crafting a risk management plan is akin to plotting a course on a map, where each route is meticulously analyzed for potential dangers. Implementing stop-loss orders acts as your safety net, catching you from free falls and ensuring that a single misstep doesn't lead to a voyage's end. Diversification is your fleet of ships. Rather than risking everything on one vessel, you spread your cargo across many, ensuring that the loss of one doesn't spell disaster for your entire expedition. Venture not into these waters with more gold than you can afford to lose. Tempting as it may be to stake your fortunes on a promising venture, the savvy explorer knows that overextending oneself is a perilous gambit. 7. Learning from common mistakes. Embarking on the journey of options trading, each novice trader charts a course filled with both discovery and missteps. The landscape is riddled with pitfalls, yet these are not merely obstacles but stepping stones to mastery. Avoid the siren call of overtrading, where the excitement of the chase can lead to a maelstrom of regret. Beware the vortex of chasing losses, a gambit that risks not just your treasure but your compass as well. Ignoring the cardinal rules of risk management, you might find yourself adrift in a sea of uncertainty, your sails torn by the winds of haste. This odyssey demands not just a keen eye, but a resilient spirit. Each mistake is a lore inscribed in the logbook of your trading journey, offering insights more precious than the rarest of gems. 8. Staying updated and continuing your education. In the ever-shifting sands of the options trading landscape, where the winds of market dynamics shift with relentless unpredictability, the beacon of continuous education shines brightest for those who dare to navigate these waters. The quest for knowledge is an unending voyage, a commitment to not just sail, but to chart unexplored territories with the map of lifelong learning. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of resources that beckon the curious mind. Seminars and webinars serve as lighthouses, guiding you through the fog of complexity with beams of insight. Books and articles, penned by seasoned traders and financial wizards, are your scrolls and tomes, imbued with the wisdom of ages and strategies for conquest. Venture into the realm of digital enlightenment, where financial news sources stand as sentinels, offering real-time glimpses into the heartbeat of the market. Here, in the confluence of data and analysis, your strategies find their forge, tempered in the crucible of current events and economic trends. This journey of intellectual discovery is not a solitary pursuit, but a shared odyssey. Engage with communities of fellow adventurers, forums where tales of triumphs and defeats are woven into the collective tapestry of experience. In these gatherings, questions find answers and theories are put to the test. Embrace this continuous voyage of education, for in the world of options trading, the most potent asset at your disposal is not wealth but wisdom. Let your thirst for knowledge be unquenchable, your resolve unwavering, and your journey prosperous. 9. Time for the soft question. What aspects of options do you fear the most, and why are many people hesitant to invest in them? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. This will help everyone learn and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please support us. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.